everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the VERSED Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask with AHA, BHAs, and pineapple enzymes. This is what the product looks like. And yes, I did cut my hair. VERSED kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. Do consider subscribing if you love product reviews. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. VERSED describes this as a pot of gold, and to be honest, that is exactly what drew me to this product. This unique kind of texture and color alone was truly it. It features a triple threat of BHAs, AHAs, and enzyme exfoliation. It improves uneven tone and texture for brighter, smoother, rejuvenated skin. All without a tingle, no burning, just a lovely post-facial glow in a flash that builds over time. You can find this at versed.com. A 1.7 ounce unit retails for $19.99. There is also a jumbo sized option for you, 3.4 ounces for $29.99. You can, however, also find this at your local Target, where a 1.7 ounce unit retails for $22.99. I will be sure to link the product down below for you. VERSED suggests that you apply a thin layer of mask onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the very sensitive eye area. Rinse with cool water after 2 to 3 minutes. You do not want to leave this on for more than 3 minutes. Do avoid using other acid-based products or retinoids for 24 hours before and after use. This is very important. You do also want to use this once a week, ideally at night after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing. I do want to mention this as far as ingredients are concerned. I did go online to look up the ingredients. I usually just do my ingredients check online. I'll visit like Sephora. So this time I went to versed.com and I was thoroughly confused, and it listed the percentage for each acid, but when I looked at the actual ingredients list, nowhere did I find glycolic, lactic, or salicylic acid. So I did some further investigative reporting, and I went onto Target's website, and there I found the actual ingredients list that included glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acid. The VERSED website, however, does list the actual percentage of each acid, so it's a really nice and gentle, in my opinion, resurfacing mask. We see lactic acid at 2%. Lactic acid is an anti-ager, it evens tone, and it hydrates the skin. It also exfoliates the skin. We see glycolic acid here at 2% as well, another anti-ager that evens skin tone, smooths bumpy skin. This is one of the best exfoliants out there as it helps to renew the skin's surface. But on the same token, it can also be sensitizing to the skin because it does have a very small molecular size. Next up, we do have salicylic acid here at 0.15%. This is an anti-acne, anti-aging, blackhead reducing BHA that is better known, of course, for its anti-acne properties, as it is an oil loving acid that deep cleans each and every one of your beautiful pores to minimize breakouts, congestion, and blackheads. Pineapple enzymes and papaya enzymes are also in this formula at 1.2%. I do like to describe enzymes as little Pac-Men that eat away, digest anything that's dulling, drying, or congesting your skin at the surface level. And one of my favorite things about this is that there are no drying alcohols included within this formula, and there is no fragrance. I first used this on February 9th, and I have used it weekly ever since. Upon my first application, I did not notice a tingle whatsoever, and I thought that this was going to be a complete fail. I used it because I wanted to mask, And I also wanted to chemically exfoliate my skin, but I did not want to go in with my usual Drunk Elephant Baby Facial. I have been using tretinoin and I didn't want to overstimulate my skin, but I still wanted to mask. Sometimes you're just in the mood to mask. So I removed this after 3 minutes and I was so surprised at the glow that I had. So after my first initial use, just 3 minutes, my forehead looked amazing, and I love that the glow lasted approximately 2 days. There was no redness, no irritation, and no flaking the day after or 2 days after use. Results continued the exact same the following week. I do want to mention that this in no way resurfaced my skin in the same way that Drunk Elephant BabyFacial does, but it was a very gentle resurfacing. I do want to mention that I also get more of a resurfacing from using the FARMACY Honey Glow Serum than I do with this. However, that is also a higher, very much higher percentage acid blend that is better suited for conditioned skin. Definitely not sensitive skin friendly at all. This mask I personally think is more gentle. BabyFacial, I do also want to mention, is a 25% acid blend. I think here you get about 5 and 6.5 if you're counting those enzymes as well. When I do want a more resurfaced look and feel to the skin, I use the FARMACY Honey Glow Serum, and I will link that review for you up above. What I do love about doctor's visits is that I can use it and still use my tretinoin prescription and Honey Glow as well. Of course, not all in the same night, but just throughout the week. I personally want to delay the signs of aging as much as the next person, but I also do not want to compromise my barrier. A compromised barrier, I have learned through experience, is a lot harder to heal and repair than you think. Less is more. So if I were not to be using tretinoin, I think I would still be using BabyFacial, but since I am, this is working just fine. From weekly use, I've noticed slightly smoother skin, brighter skin, and a nice glow throughout. I've also noticed less breakouts, less redness, no sensitivity, redness, or irritation. I have paired this mask with my NUFACE device after masking, and this worked very well. Because this is so gentle, I do not feel the need to follow it with a hydrating mask, but you can totally do that. I have used this at different times during the day, not just at night, and I have followed it with my favorite antioxidant serum and the VERSED sunscreen, which I absolutely adore, and it has all worked well. For the purpose of my filming schedule today, I did use it before I sat down to film, and I did heavily set my makeup today, but you can see just a bit of the glow here. There is like no highlight here. The highlight literally is right over here, but you can see some of that glow peeking through. I did not set my cheeks, but I did apply highlight here. Everything else is just set because I was looking so glowy. When used at night, like tonight, I am going to do a hydrating routine. I'm not going to go in with my Tret or Honey Glow. My favorite way to use this, of course, is as part of my Sunday reset. Literally mask for 3 minutes, use my microcurrent device, and finish things off with a hydrating serum, a first aid moisturizer, which, you know, I have been testing a lot of moisturizers, but this has been a pleasant surprise. The Ultra Repair Cream, let me know if y'all want a review on this in the comments down below. I would recommend this to combo, normal, oily skin friends who love to approach skin in a more conservative way. The less is more group. More acids are not necessarily better. Also, if you're starting your skincare journey and you're dipping your toes into acids, this could be for you. This is not only gentle, but it's also results driven. It's also affordable. So it's not going to completely break the bank. If you are on the sensitive side, this resurfacing mask may not be for you. You may want to perform a patch test to see if your skin can and will tolerate this product. The Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel by VERSED as well, which I have reviewed here on my channel. I will link it up for you above. The Shortcut Overnight Facial Peel may be a much gentler option for you, and it may work out for you. I personally think that product did anything for my skin, so it could just be better suited for sensitive skin. I love the texture and the color of this product. Again, I mentioned that earlier. Gentle, affordable, results driven. You can also find this at Target. I mean, some of us are already there about once a week shopping for more than what is on our actual shopping list. So hey, just add it to your cart. It's easy to use. You do not have to sit with a product on your skin for 20 minutes to see results. Literally, you saw it when I did the demo. 3 minutes and bing, you are done. Results do get better over time. My cons here, if you apply a thick layer, it can be harder to remove. So a light layer is all you need. There is a bit of a raw ingredients type of scent here, so it may be a deal breaker for some. So I just thought I would throw that out there. I personally did not find this scent to be offensive, but it is just an FYI. I am going to rate this a 9 out of 10. If you love BabyFacial, if you use other acid blends on the regular, you may be underwhelmed by doctor's visit. So I would suggest you stick to BabyFacial, to your other acid blends, those that truly just transform and resurface your skin in 20 minutes or overnight. I did just notice a very slight resurfacing effect on my skin from using this. Much brighter, lovely, kind of just youthful appearance to the skin. I just also want to mention that you just cannot expect a major overhaul from 2% lactic acid, 2% glycolic, but I did get enough of an exfoliation for me to notice and to keep using this gentle, in my opinion, resurfacing mask. Let me know if you have used this product, Doctor's Visit by VERSED, in the comments down below. What is your skin type? What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let us discuss in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, to like the video if you learned something new today. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Do check out my shorts as well. I have been uploading there sporadically. I will be trying to upload there a lot more if I can. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye. This is what the product look. I can use it